Hey guys, it's your girl Briella. Thanks for tuning in for another session of my DIY. Stay tuned, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the cloth off the bench. It's more of like a paper or vinyl like feeling, and it does have a little bit of padding at the bottom. The new cloth that I got is similar to the white cloth that was on it before. It does have a paper, almost like a Christmas wrapping feeling, which I thought was pretty cool. A nice fabric that I felt would be nice for the bench. So as you can see, I am stapling and attaching it to the chair. This project was very quick. I mean, I don't think I spent any more than maybe 30 minutes to an hour on this project. It is definitely doable. You guys should definitely try and attempt this yourselves. So what I would recommend is that you have sharp scissors. That way when you cut, you're actually cutting the cloth and you don't have to do multiple passes, along with a stapler. I use a DeWalt stapler, and it is important to have the fabric that you like, because obviously that's what you're going to see on the bench. But as you can see, this is the finished product. I did love the way it came out. And the fabric will definitely be easy to clean off, especially since it will be going in the bathroom. But thanks guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys and fam.